Okay, so I'm going to show you quick how to make a link. So these are the shortcuts right here, and create a link is Control C. Now we've done Control C copy and Control V paste, so that's going to be part of this. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, find a spot for my my cursor, where I'm going to put my link. I'm going to Control C, or I can click this up here, which is like the link, it looks like a link. So it's right here. So I can control that, I can click that, or I can Control K. So I'm going to Control K. So that makes this little area where you're going to put your link. See, it says paste the link or search. We're going to search in a different tab because it's just easier and it gives you more options. All right, so I'm going to come up here to a new tab. Can you see where my arrow is up here? So I'm going to click on this to make a new tab, and I'm going to search pumpkin carving ideas. So it comes up because I've searched it before, pumpkin carving ideas. So remember in class I said to you, I don't want you picking images or videos. So we're going to come down here. I like the 52 cool pumpkin carving ideas. So I'm going to use that one, and there's a lot of cool pumpkins. So in order to get this link, you need to come up here where the search bar is. That's the URL. Left click it. It will highlight it. Now remember, we did Control C to copy, so Control C, you won't see anything, but you will know that it's copied if you click Control C. So I'm going to X out of this tab, and it'll bring me back to my Google Doc. So I'm going to paste the link in the search bar right here where it says link. So I'm going to Control V. It goes right in, and then I have to name it. So what I wanted to say is what the link is going to show up as. So I'm just going to say pumpkin carving. That's it. Apply. And there you go. It's highlighted. It's in blue and it's underlined. That's how you know it's a link. And watch, when I click that, it comes up, the link, and I just have to click it. So if you want to put that in your text, in your classwork, or something you're doing for school, a project, or something for the library, you can say, start a sentence. Here are a couple great ideas for pumpkin carving, and pumpkin carving could be highlighted in that below. So. All right, so there you go. So there's your sentence, and then there's your link when you click on it. All right, good luck.